Guys, today I show you how to make a sushi or maki roll or spam roll with only spam and a cheese. What do you call that? Cheese. I don't know how you say that. Cheesecake, whatever. Alright, this one is still clean, okay? Hang on, guys. Yeah, this one's still clean. Still use this. As long as clean, I wash it and I wash my hands and I wash this with soap. So you still can use it. So, as long only a day. Only a day. I use it when I'm cooking. I make us kimchi. Alright, this is what you're gonna do. You need the kimchi right here. Now guys. Okay. Okay, you need a seaweed wrap, water, rice, of course, and I just make it by myself. You can put a hot sauce, ketchup, and a mayonnaise. And Philadelphia cheese, whatever I forgot, I don't know, I forgot. And we have some vegetable. Right here, cucumber and carrots. Now this time I'm gonna make it all a lot today. No, I think this is a lot. Oh yeah, that's okay. All right. Here, first thing you have to put this one right here. Yeah, tipid-tipid, guys. Requested by Henry. So, gawa na lang po nito. Kaya di mo kaon ng iba. Tsaka, I don't have nothing to do. I have a lot, but we can do that later. More! Okay? Na lata ang aking kwan. Pag gusto nyo, huwag nyo ilata yung yung rice nyo. Just tamang-tama lang po. Huwag nyo po ilatain. Kasi pangit po. Lata. Yan o. Lata na siya eh. Oh, put right there. Put more. What the? What the daw? I'm sorry. What the? Yan. Yan. Yan lang. Pambahay lang po ito. Hindi po pang negosyo. Pero kung gusto nyo pong pang negosyo, let me know. Yan. Spam. Dalawang spam lang. And then, carrots. Cucumber. That's it for easy one. And then later on we add the Philadelphia cheesesteak roll. And then you have to do like that. There's nothing I can put. And then you just have to dip it in the soy sauce. Okay. I think I got it right. Okay. Tada! Yan na. Oh, ito na po siya. Yan, one roll down. One roll down. Let's put it here. Or you can slice it like this. You need to have sharp thingy. You can put water on it so it won't stick. There you go. Just cut it into one more time. There you you go. Oh. Then high up like that. Ay, nahulog. Yan, okay na po. Since nahulog, yun, oh. Pambahay lang po ito. Gawa ulit tayo. Hang on. I think I need something. Maybe this one. Okay, we got to move on. Ha? Pag-ingat po kayo, huwag masama ang inyong skin. Okay. Need more. Second time. Don't know what is that. That is a tea. There you go. More again. Let's do it. I think I need more rice. As you can see, I have a lot of rice here. Ito na po yung rice natin. Hindi ko alam saan ko ilagay. Ito na lang. Init, manggod. Ayun na lang. Ayun na lang. Nalata ang aking rice. Nalata. Nalata ang aking rice. Nalata. Nalata ang aking rice. Nalata ang aking rice. Kailangan hindi masyadong mainit yung rice siguro. Kasi tingnan mo nangyayari. Oh. Wala. Get pa more. Init kay bye. I'm not gonna use this kind of rice right here. Here. Get more rice right here. Yan. Ito, mas maganda siguro to na rice. Dali lang ganon dito. Ano ba? Ganon na din siya. Kailangan po pong i-ano siya, katag-katag. Yan, yan lang po. Yan lang po. We'll put another one right here. Ano lang po. More. Para masarap. And then we have to add this one. Add this one. Then again, 2 stalk of cucumber and 2 stalk of carrot. You eating if you want to. There you go. Now we have to wrap it up. Hindi po to pantay pero bahala na. Uy, bahala na si Batman. Okay na. Yeah. Oh, guys. Mura na siya tanog. Mahirap na magsalita. Okay na yon. Sino bala magkaon-kaon, anak? More, we got more. Let's see how many I can make. Okay, I'm using this regular rice, white rice. That one is a sticky rice. Like a Japanese rice, Moshiko, I don't know how to say that. That's a sweet rice for magimo ka ng wiko. Sticky rice, yeah, sticky rice. We're just gonna use this one. It's easy to spread. You have to spread it. There you go. Yan, alam po. Here. Put more since we have a lot of we have a lot of this. Kapo, yung istorya ba? Oh, put more of this until it's, it's done. You have to pantay-pantay that one though. Okay, hang on. Kailangan siguro iwaan. Oh, iwaan na lang siya. Then, same lang po. Almost na niya. Ganahan, pwede siya. My daughter really like this kind of stuff. And me also. And if you want to put this one, it's up to you. You can put a little bit. Or she just gonna keep it there. Ito lang po ang gagawin mo. Para po tayo ay sarap. Tayo'y matanda na. Sana ay messy. Pag may sauce, messy talaga. Sana pinaghuli ko na lang yung sauce. Messy na yung lalagyan ko. Ayan na po. Yeah, very easy. More pa. Yun na, makita nyo yung mga stuff ko dyan. Okay, we can still make more. Here. Yan. Kaya isang sushi roll, mabusog ka na kasi marami na siyang kanin, siguro more than half of rice. Ito, nilagyan ko ulit kasi mainit. Konting rice lang. Maraming laman, mas maganda. Tama na po yan. At maghiwa tayo nito. Lagyan natin dito. Still the same. Same. If you can, just the vegetable. Yun lang. And you still can put this one in here. Pag ayaw nyo po ng, yan, cheese. I forgot how you say that. Philly cheese steak, whatever. Yan na po. Yan na. Amin na. Pwede na. Pa tayo nilalagyan. Lagyan lang. Uy. Kalamit. Lamit na kayo, guys. Okay, done na this one. Another, Henry! Sushi is ready! Bago na nito nan, uy. Yun lang po. Yan po gagawin natin. Yan lang po. Lang. Then you roll it. Ganyan po. Oh. Para magamit din, lagay na po ito. Para matapos na po. Ano? Ano lang po ang paggawa ng sushi roll. Kailangan ayusin nyo po mabuti para hindi po siya mabungkag. Ito na, last na natin to. May kapoy naman. We need more. We need more! We need more! Rice. Orot na po yung rice. Yan na po ang ating rice. Siguro mga dalawahin pa to. Pero pa ako sa kanila. Dalawahin pa to siya. Pwede po hand roll lang. Pero mas madali po dito kaysa hand roll. Pero nahihirapan po ako sa hand roll. Tama na po yan. The last, I don't know, kalimutan ko pangalan na diba? Paborito na po, tapos mawala. Kalimutan pangalan. Ito, totoo dyan na. Pagka paborito mo, tapos, yan ang makalimutan mo. Tulad ng paborito mong subscriber, nakalimutan mong i-shout out. Kasi akala mo na shoutout mo na kasi nandito siya sa mind mo lagi. Ayan, that's it. I think gagawa pa po ako ng isa but without village stick roll. Village stick. There you go. There you go, guys. Pwede na, guys. Ito yung gawa pa ko. Busin ko na po itong kasi nasira na po ito. Wow, ito na last na talaga. Wala na, time na. Time to go, time to go, time to go. Time to go buy again. Yeah, that's what I say, time to go buy again. And last rice na rin ito. Pwede ko lagyan yan haluan ng sweet rice. Pag hindi magkasya. Yan. Haluan ko talaga ito guys ng sweet rice kasi kulang. Ang sweet rice ko is lata po. Hindi niya gusto. Kailangan lagyan na natin ng Ewan ko, ano gagawin yun? Nalata eh. Nalata siya. Okay na lang po. Ano pa nito? This one. Pwede lagyan mo ng kahit anong vegetable. Pwede, kahit anong vegetable. Spinach. Yan mo pa. Lagyan mo pa nito pag mas. Oh, lagyan natin ng kimchi, guys. Okay, wala na siyang ano. Now, we can put kimchi on top of it. Yeah, you can do whatever you like on your sushi roll. There you go. Last time with kimchi. Make a mess. Medyo mataba po ito na roll. Na. Yan! Tapos na po ang ating sushi roll. You can cut it if you like, but I like it like that. So she just give it. Okay? Thank you guys for watching. I have to put this in here. She might like this one. Here. Here. With kimchi and then fights. And need to clean up. That's the worst thing, clean up. Ha! Ang halang. Halang. I need water. Where are you, my water? Hello, I think I forgot to put this, right? It's okay? Yeah. I think so. Yeah, I forgot to put it in here. Thank you guys for watching.